For this week's video, we're going to talk about adding videos to Google Slides. You used to not be able to do this, but they have since added it. And if you go to the Insert menu and choose Video, you have some options. You can search YouTube for a video, you can paste a link to a YouTube video, or you can choose to find one in your Google Drive. So first off, let's talk about by URL. If we click this, we can go to any YouTube video and we can copy the link from up here and paste it. And I just hit the select button and now we can put it on our slide. The other method from Google Drive, this would be something maybe you've screen captured or maybe a video that you have put into your Google Drive. I'm not going to go over how to put it in your Google Drive because you can watch the video on uploading files to Google Drive. But the way it works is you go to Insert and Video and click Google Drive, and you can do it by recent or shared with me, or of course just browse your drive looking for it. You can also do a search here. This is a video that I just recorded here a second ago using Screencastify, which is a very common program people use for recording their screen. Works on a Chromebook. So I'm going to hit select, and here it is. It puts it in, and I can resize it and put it in my slideshow. A word of warning about putting stuff in from your Google Drive. I have found that if I post this presentation in Google Classroom, sometimes the kids have trouble playing these videos, like if they're trying to open it up on their own computer to do it. And the only thing that I have found is that if you go to the actual video. Alright, so here's that video. I need to make sure that this video has link sharing turned on, and we do that by clicking this right here and then just check that box. Otherwise, it will try to ask them or tell them that they don't have permission to view the video, and it's a weird bug, but I've run into that problem. When you put your videos in here, a couple things to be aware of. You don't want to cover your entire screen with the video because then it can kind of become a pain to make it go to the next slide. And there's actually some video options with this. If you click on your video, there's this button right here, Video Options. And you can make your video start and stop at certain points. So like if you just want a portion of the video, you can tell it to start at maybe 1 minute and 5 seconds and then end at 1 minute and say 15 seconds. And now whenever I play this video when I'm doing my presentation, or if somebody's looking at it, they'll just see that short section of the video. I also have the ability right here to autoplay when presenting. So when I'm actually presenting and I get to this slide, it'll automatically play the video. I don't have to click on it, which is something very nice. And then I've also got mute audio if for some reason you want to mute the audio and just have the video playing. So that's how you can put videos in your Google Slides.